Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanतीर्थ Vidyalay, Parbhani. Friends, in the yesterday's video, we have seen the information about the surface water, lakes, water in the form of ice, groundwater. All these information we have seen of standard 5th science. In that we have studied the chapter number 3rd. The name of the chapter is The Earth and its Living World. So friends, today we have to see the information about the atmosphere. The atmosphere is necessary for all the living things, and with the help of this atmosphere, living things can survive in the nature. The envelope of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Mainly the part of the earth covered by air is called as atmosphere, like lithosphere, hydrosphere. This third one is the atmosphere. In this atmosphere, mainly air is accommodated. So friends, in the atmosphere, different layers are present and they are situated at a different distance from the earth. Information or use of that layers we have to see in this video. So friends, as we go higher from the surface of the earth, the air in the atmosphere becomes rare. Understand? When we go higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the proportion of the air becomes rare and rare. We have seen the astronomers carry oxygen cylinder with them because they are at a very long distance from the earth. At that place there is no air, or air is present in little amount, so little amount. So in that amount we can breathe the oxygen. We not get in the proper proportion, so there is need to be an oxygen cylinder they carry with them. Next point, the atmosphere consists of a mixture of gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and carbon dioxide. These are the different types of gases are present in the air because air is a mixture of other different gases. There are some other gases too in the air in very small quantities. With these gases, other gases are also present in the very small or little quantity. So these gases mainly are, see here, nitrogen. There is a 71% of nitrogen present in the air. You know, in the air there is a percentage of nitrogen is maximum than other gases. See here, the nitrogen is present 78% of the total air. After that 21% oxygen is present, and in 1%, in 1%, all other gases like argon, carbon dioxide and other constituents of air are present in that 1%. So this is about the constituents or different types of gases present in the air. Next, the layers of the atmosphere are named as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. See, in the atmosphere there are 5 different layers are present. The name of that layers is troposphere म्हणजे तपांबर, स्ट्रॅटोस्फियर म्हणजे थितांबर, मिझोस्फियर म्हणजे मध्यांबर, आयनोस्फियर म्हणजे आयनांबर आणि एक्झोस्फियर म्हणजे काय, बाह्यांबर. सो दिस इज द different layers of the atmosphere. Next, the layer that extends from the earth's surface to a height of about 13 kilometer is called troposphere. See, the first layer in the atmosphere, that is the troposphere. It is present 13 kilometer from the surface of the earth, around the earth, that is spread over the 13 kilometer. That is called troposphere. We call tapambar in Marathi. The conditions in the troposphere change continuously. See, this is the most important point. The conditions in the troposphere changes continuously. We have observed all these things. In a troposphere there is a rainy season, winter season and summer season for some time. That is atmosphere in the troposphere is continuously changes after an equal interval of time. Next, they affect the living world to a great extent. This atmosphere or the layer troposphere changes continuously and this is very close to the living things, and effect of this troposphere or changes happen in the troposphere, they affect the living world in a great extent. And as well as these changes or constituents in the troposphere also help to survive the living world or plants and animals. Okay, next, the surface of the earth gets heated due to the heat it receives from the sun. See, earth is a planet, that is not a star. Sun is a star. We have seen the difference between the sun and star. Star have its own light, but planet are depend on the others or stars for the heat and light. So earth is a planet and earth gets light and heat, or earth receive light and heat from the sun, because sun in our solar system there is only one star is present, that is the sun. Hence the air nearest the surface is the hottest. See, the nearest the surface is the hottest. As we go higher in the troposphere, it becomes cooler. Because of that, the sunlight, the surface of the earth is hot other than the air present in the atmosphere. And as we go on higher and higher, the troposphere becomes cooler. Almost all the water vapors in the atmosphere is contained in the troposphere. Water vapors, when water vapors come in contact, they forms cloud. See, in this picture on the screen there is a white color cloud near the aeroplane, and what air balloon. See, this is the cloud, and when these clouds get cool air, these clouds converted into the water droplets and we called it as a rain. Hence, the air nearest the surface hottest. As we go higher and higher, troposphere, it becomes cooler. That is why all weather related phenomena such as formation of cloud, rain, fog, wind and storm take place in the troposphere, because troposphere is very close to the earth, and that is mostly affect to the living things. See, in this, all weather related phenomena such as formation of cloud, rain, fog, wind and storm take place in the troposphere. All these activities are happen in the troposphere, means tapambar. The air on the high mountain is rarer than the air near the earth's surface. Before some time we have seen, as we go higher and higher from the earth's surface, the air becomes rare and air is maximum at the surface or surface of the earth. So friends, the air on high mountain is rarer than the near the earth surface. Aeroplanes fly in the higher part of the troposphere. Aeroplanes fly in the higher part of the troposphere. There the air is very rare. Therefore, arrangements we have to be made to ensure that passengers gets enough air for breathing. That type of arrangement is happen or made in the aeroplane to ensure that passengers gets enough air for breathing. Beyond the troposphere, up to the height of about 50 kilometer, 50 kilometer from the earth is the layer called the stratosphere. Troposphere is 13 kilometer from the surface of the earth. After that, 50 kilometer from the surface of the earth, there is a stratosphere. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of a gas called ozone. See, layer of ozone gas is present in the layer stratosphere. Okay, next, in the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of gas called ozone. Ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are harmful for living things, but the ozone layer absorbs them and protect the living world from those rays, because these ultraviolet rays, these UV rays, very dangerous. When any animal exposure to them or come in contact with the UV rays, that animal cause skin cancer or other different types of diseases. Okay, so with the help of ozone layer, this ultraviolet rays or sunlight is filtered and ozone layer absorb this UV rays and good solar light pass from the ozone to the earth surface. See friends, this is the most important topic we have seen in this. After the stratosphere, there is a mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. These three layers apart from the earth. In which layer of the atmosphere do we see rainbow? Rainbow is in troposphere. Mountaineers carry oxygen in cylinder with they climb mountains When they climb mountains that are more than 5000 meter high, what could be the reason for that? Because as we go higher and higher from the earth surface, the proportion of the air is rarer. So friends, there is a lot of good things we have studied in this topic. So friends, today we will stop here. The next important part from this chapter, next topic, we have to see in the next video. So friends, we will stop here. Okay. Thank you.